Fame brings attention. Money brings power. But neither guarantees safety. Imagine being recognized everywhere, living under camera flashes, and then one day, you simply vanish. No final message, no confirmed sighting, no goodbye, just silence. Tonight, we explore 27 celebrities whose disappearances still remain unsolved. Stories where fame ended not with applause, but with mystery. Welcome back to Celeb Mucky, where cinema, fame, and real stories collide. If you enjoy deep dives into celebrity mysteries, movie history, and shocking entertainment stories, hit subscribe and turn on notifications. They were world famous, loved by millions, recognized everywhere they went. And then, they vanished. No goodbye, no final call, no trace. As if someone erased them from existence. Phones stopped ringing. Families waited. Fans searched. But they never came back. Until today, nobody knows what really happened. Tonight, we dive into the stories of famous people who mysteriously disappeared and were never found. Fame promises security, influence, and visibility. But these cases prove something chilling. Even the most famous people on earth can disappear without a single clue. Planes vanish. Actors walk away and never return. Rising stars fade into mystery overnight. Some cases feel like accidents. Some feel like crimes. And some feel impossible to explain. Let's uncover these stories. Amelia Earhart, the pilot who vanished. In the 1930s, Amelia Earhart was not just a pilot. She was a symbol of courage. The first woman to fly solo across the Atlantic. Her next mission? Fly around the entire world. On July 2, 1937, Amelia and navigator Fred Noonan left Papua New Guinea heading toward Howland Island. But they never arrived. Her final radio messages were desperate. Low fuel, lost position, no land in sight. Then silence. The US launched one of the largest search operations ever. Ships, aircraft, thousands of miles scanned. Nothing. No wreckage, no bodies. Only theories. Crashed into the ocean. Landed on a remote island. Captured by Japanese forces. Returned under a new identity. Even today, new wreckage discoveries spark debates. But one truth remains. Amelia Earhart vanished into legend. Zoe McLennan, star who walked away. Zoe McLennan was a familiar face on television. Known for NCIS, New Orleans, and Designated Survivor. Confident, talented, successful. But off-camera, life was complicated. After moving to Toronto with her son, a custody battle followed. Legal fights intensified. Then suddenly, she disappeared from Hollywood and later from public life entirely. By 2021, reports surfaced that both she and her son were missing. Authorities believed she went off-grid, avoiding legal disputes. But since then, no confirmed sightings, no public appearances, no interviews. A television star, gone without a trace. Tammy Lynn Leppard, rising star lost. Tammy Lynn Leppard was Hollywood's next big thing. A beauty queen turned actress. By 18, she was already acting alongside Al Pacino in Scarface. Fame seemed certain. Then everything changed. In 1983, Tammy left home with a friend. She hadn't even brushed her hair. Strange for someone always perfectly groomed. Her friend claimed they argued and he dropped her off near Cocoa Beach. she was never seen again. Rumors emerged: drug connections, secret fears, possible encounters with predators. But evidence? None. Tammy Lynn Leppard simply vanished. Yelenia Carisi, music royalty disappears. Born to famous Italian singers, Yelenia Carisi grew up surrounded by fame. But she preferred books and art, traveling alone to discover herself. Her journey led her to New Orleans in 1993. Days later, witnesses claimed a young woman said, "My life is in danger." Then she reportedly jumped into the Mississippi River. Her belongings were found in her hotel room, but her body was never recovered. Was it suicide? Or did something else happen? Her mother still hopes she's alive. Jean Spangler, Hollywood's haunting mystery. Jean Spangler was a rising Hollywood actress. In 1949, she left home saying she had a film shoot. She never returned. 2 days later, her purse was found. Inside was a strange note. "Kirk, can't wait any longer." Who was Kirk? Theories linked movie stars, criminal rings, and mob involvement. But nothing was proven. Her case remains unsolved after 70 years. Joe Pickler, child star who disappeared. Joe Pickler starred in Beethoven films as a child actor. By 18, he planned to return to Hollywood. But one night in 2006, he vanished. His car was found near water. Inside were poems and a note. Police suspected suicide, but family disagreed. His apartment looked disturbed. Valuables missing. No body was found. Did he run away or meet something darker? No answers. Anastasia Romanov, the lost princess. For decades, the world believed Princess Anastasia survived Russia's royal execution. Bodies recovered were incomplete. Rumors spread she escaped. Women claimed to be her. Stories turned into films and fairy tales. But DNA discoveries decades later confirmed she died with her family. Yet her legend still lives. Proof that mysteries sometimes outlive truth. TV stars who walked away. Zoe McClellan. Known from NCIS, New Orleans, she reportedly went off the grid amid legal disputes. Authorities later struggled to locate her whereabouts. Maya Campbell. A beloved sitcom actress faced personal struggles and disappeared from public life, leaving fans worried and searching. Music and pop culture mysteries. Richie Edwards. The Manic Street Preachers guitarist disappeared in 1995. His car was found near a bridge known for suicides, but no evidence confirmed his fate. Connie Converse. A pioneering folk singer left letters behind and drove away in 1974. She was never seen again. Royal and historical mysteries. Anastasia Romanov. Rumors persisted for decades that the Russian princess survived her family's execution. DNA later solved much of the mystery, yet myths still circulate. International disappearances. Yelenia Carisi. Daughter of famous Italian singers, she vanished while traveling in New Orleans. A witness claimed a woman matching her description entered the Mississippi River. Barbara Newhall Follett. A child prodigy author who mysteriously disappeared after marital troubles, never heard from again. More celebrity vanishings. Ambrose Bierce, writer, vanished in Mexico. Lord Lucan, British nobleman, disappeared after nanny murder case. Sean Flynn, actor/photojournalist, missing in Cambodia. Oscar Zeta Acosta, activist, vanished in Mexico. Everett Roos, artist, lost in Utah wilderness. Raoul Wallenberg, diplomat, disappeared in Soviet custody. Rudolf Diesel, engine inventor, vanished at sea. Weldon Keys, poet, disappeared in San Francisco. Bison Dele, NBA star, lost at sea. Brian Schaffer, medical student, vanished from a bar. Harold Holt, Australian PN, disappeared while swimming. Solomon Northup, temporarily disappeared before memoir. Ettore Majorana, physicist, vanished mysteriously. Each disappearance adds to the unsettling truth: fame cannot stop disappearance. Some people leave intentionally, some are taken, some simply step into darkness. And sometimes, the world never learns the truth. These stories remind us that even celebrities can become ghosts in history. Which disappearance shocked you the most? Comment below with your theories. If you enjoy unsolved mysteries and celebrity stories, subscribe to Celeb Mucky for more cinematic deep dives. Because some stories never end.